I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what I have here is a K model speedometer. It's got 4,943 miles. I've not tried it. I don't have a K model to ride it on the road with or whatever to test it, but the Speedo moves, the needle moves, it's not gooned. The numbers look good. It's in exceptionally good shape. It came from an older collection of stuff. It smells, it even smells old, like got that closet smell to it or whatever. So we're offering this for sale. We believe it's for $54, but I'm not a K model expert. It doesn't appear like it's ever been apart. It looks pretty good. And we're offering this for sale. So thanks for looking at our stuff. And this would definitely be a good addition to your motorcycle or collection or whatever. Okay, thanks a lot.